morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we started with the chapter of living and non-living. So in this chapter, what topics we have discussed? Let us recall once. We have learned that what was the similarity between living and non-living. दोनों के बीच में similarity क्या है? That is, both are considered as matter. Matter क्या होता है? Anything that has mass and that occupies space. Right? So we learned in the previous class. We also learned that the structural unit of the living thing is cell. Right? That is the smallest part. And the structural unit of non-living thing is basically the molecule. Right? We also learned this thing in the fourth chapter, that is, there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. In solid, the molecules are tightly packed. In liquid, the molecules are loosely packed. In the gases, the molecules are very loosely packed. तो इसका मतलब जो structural unit होगा non living का, वो क्या है? Molecule. लेकिन जो structural unit होगा हमारा living का, that is basically the cell. Right? This we learned in the previous class. Now today we are going to learn some of the characteristics of living thing. उनमें differences क्या हैं? जो living thing में characteristics present है वो non-living thing में नहीं है. That's why we can easily recognize कि this thing is living and this is non-living. Right? We're going to take simple example which you can take it from your daily life also. Right? So let us start with one of the main characteristics, that is basically your several living things move. Now, have you seen the living things movement? Different living things, organisms, they move in a different way. Right? You might have seen animals, how they move and why do they move? They move in search of food and shelter or to escape from enemies. सबकी movement अलग-अलग है. Human beings move in a different way. Animals move in a different way. Even plants वैसे move नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन उनकी भी कुछ ना कुछ movement होती है. वो डिफरेंट होती है मूवमेंट. यू माइट हैव हर्ड अबाउट द मिमोसा प्लांट, जिसको हम टच मी नॉट कहते हैं. व्हेन यू टच इट्स लीव्स फोल्ड. तो मूवमेंट अलग है. अब सनफ्लावर है, सनफ्लावर की मूवमेंट है, इट ऑलवेज फेसेस टुवर्ड्स द सन. तो हर एक की मूवमेंट है लिविंग थिंग की, लेकिन वो मूवमेंट अलग है. दैट इज डिफरेंट. राइट? एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट नॉन लिविंग, Now you will say, ma'am, non-living भी move करते हैं. Non-living भी move करते हैं. Non-living, for example, if I say car moves, लेकिन उसकी movement अलग है. लेकिन उनमें movement है, लेकिन और characteristics नहीं है उनमें, by which we can say that this thing is living and this is non-living. Right? So remember that living things can move on their own. Right? And second thing, each and every living organism, the movement is different. Right? I hope it's clear to you. Let's come to the second one now. Living things are made up of cells. जो structural unit होता है living thing का, वो cell होता है. Like your wall is made up of bricks. Right? तो similarly जो आपकी body है, it's made up of cells. फिर आगे characterization होती है कि different type के cells होते हैं, उनकी आगे different characteristics है. But the basic thing is कि जो living thing होती हैं, they are made up of cells. Right? That is the main thing. और वो cells, कोई living thing में एक cell होता है जिसको हम unicellular organism कहते हैं. Unicellular मतलब they have only one cell, और वही cell सारा function perform करता है. Multicellular मतलब multiple cells are present, and multiple cells perform different functions of the body. For example, जो human beings हैं वो multicellular organism है, क्योंकि इसमें number of cells है. लेकिन if I ask you, can you name the organisms which has only one, just made up of only one cell? Yes, that is amoeba, paramecium. You can give these example, bacteria. These are made up of single cell. अगर इनकी body grow भी करती है ना, वो cell का size बढ़ता है, number of cells increase नहीं होते हैं. लेकिन जो multicellular organisms होते हैं, उनके अंदर क्या होता है, अगर एक organism की growth होती है, तो उनमें cells का size नहीं बढ़ता है. Cells divide होते होते number of cells बढ़ जाते हैं. The number of cells increase, not the साइज ऑफ द सेल. लेकिन अगर यूनिसेल्युलर है तो उसके सेल्स नहीं इंक्रीज होंगे, इसकी ग्रोथ में क्या इंक्रीज होगा? दैट इज द साइज ऑफ द सेल. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. इन यूनिसेल्युलर व्हेन द ग्रोथ अकर्स, द साइज ऑफ द सेल इंक्रीजेस. इन मल्टीसेल्युलर व्हेन द ग्रोथ अकर्स, the size of the cell will not increase, the number of cells will increase. They keep on dividing. This is important. Right? So living things are made up of cells. Next one, living things grow. Yes, You are growing. पहले आप you were a child, and then what happens? A child grows into an adult. A puppy grows into a dog. Number of examples are there. और सबकी growth different है. Or remember that in living things, it's multicellular. So that means when the growth occurs, the number of cells will increase. अब देखो, जो अगर हम नॉन लिविंग की बात करते हैं, नॉन लिविंग भी ग्रो, एक वॉल है, हमें वॉल के साइज को बढ़ाना है, इंक्रीज करना है, हो जाएगा. उसमें मटेरियल ब्रिक्स ऐड कर दो, सीमेंट ऐड कर दो, वो वॉल का साइज बढ़ जाएगा. लेकिन उसकी ग्रोथ के लिए मुझे बाहर से मटेरियल लाके उसकी ग्रोथ करनी पड़ेगी. लेकिन जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं, उनकी इंटरनल ग्रोथ होती है विद इन द ऑर्गेनिजम्स इटसेल्फ. बट to increase or to make the non-living thing grow, we need to add material from outside. This is the difference, right? Okay, so next one, living things have lifespan. Lifespan क्या होता है? The number of years an organism live. हर एक का अलग है. अगर हम simple bacteria, tiny organisms की बात करते हैं, 20 minutes. And if we talk about human beings, it's 60 to 80 years. Average lifespan है. Plus minus is always there, right? So these were some of the characteristics which we have discussed today. The rest of the characteristics we are going to learn in the next class, right? So let us recall once more. Living things move. Living things are made up of cells, and examples of unicellular are amoeba and paramecium. Living things grow, and living things have lifespan, right? Right? And remember, the living things have lifespan. I gave you the example for bacteria and humans. Remember that plants grow throughout their life, लेकिन जो animals होते हैं उनका एक definite life span होता है. उस सारी life वो grow नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है? I hope this thing is clear to you. Now for your homework, you will be doing A part question 1 to question 3, that is your multiple choice question, and C part question 1 to question 4, that is your short question answers. Right? Thank you so much.